Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a evaporator cooling system. You see here that a working principle diagram of this evaporative cooler, and in this system we need a water tank, a water pump, cooling pad and one fan or blower. Hot air will be enter in this box from left side, and after cooling from cooling pad by the support of this fan, airflow will be go out to our right side. So first of all we will provide water supply to our water tank, and then this water will be recycling by using our water pump. So this is water pump and this pipe will be helps us to recycling this water, and this evaporative pad can distribute this water to different line and it will be flow again in our water tank. So here you see that a LCD display and one DHT11 is included here, and in the inner side we included here a NodeMCU, one buck converter, one DS18B20 and one DC fan, and also a water pump of 12 volt DC. So this is the inner view of this project. Now we will shield this part and then we will make sure proper power supply for our total system. So we will turn on this system. So you see that it's showing evaporator cooling system in our LCD display, and it will show our cooling temperature and our natural temperature. First one will show the cooling temperature, and this DHT11 will show in lower side the natural temperature. So we need to see this DS18B20. It's a waterproof temperature sensor, so it can read the temperature from water or anywhere. So we will insert this one in front of this cooling fan. Now we will insert our temperature sensor with our evaporative pad, and then we will close this one, and we need to use for a while, and then we will check our temperature value from our LCD display. Now we will check the output of this project of this 5 minutes output, and it's showing that cooling temperature is 31.80 from 31.99. So it's reducing the temperature. If you wait for a long time, then you will get a efficient output from this system. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.